Oops, I didn't record that whole
New
time.
Orleans.
Don't stand on the seat. Where are we right now?
At the fall.
Where?
At the store.
No, where are we?
Nana's.
What are we sitting in right now?
Chair.
Yeah, the train. The chairs. Silly. Sit down. Say bye-bye.